So in the binomial theorem, exercise 13b, so question number 2, find the term independent of x in the expansion of the following binomials. So if you want to find the independent of x, okay, term without x, we use the same concept, and almost, okay, for each and every problem, the concept is same. Okay, that's why focus more on the concept here. So here, what is a general term? General term formula. Okay, so I am taking the general term formula. General term is equals is TR plus 1. TR plus 1 is equals to NCR x to the power n minus r into y to the power r. This is the formula. Okay, so for finding the general term, any term. Okay, so now I am finding here by comparing with x plus y whole power n. By comparing with x plus y power n. Okay, so by comparing with x plus y whole to the power n, then what is x value? X only. What is y value here? Minus 1 by x. What is n value? Constant power 14. Now I am finding the general term TR plus 1 is equals to N14 CR. Here we don't know the value of R. Here we don't know the value of R. X to the power means x power only n minus R. That is n is equal to 14. So 14 minus R into y. Y is minus 1 by x power R. Power R. So we write it as it is. We write it as it is. So now this is equals to 14 CR x to the power 14 minus R minus 1 whole power R into x to the power minus R. X to the power minus R. Now what is the question here? Here the question is term independent of x without x. I want the terms without x. Without x, I don't want the x value. So that means 14c are writing as it is, and minus 1 whole power r, it is a number constant coefficient writing in the starting, and x to the power 14 minus r and x to the power minus r. By adding both, we get this x power minus r. Bases are equal, we can add the powers. Okay, that means 14cr into minus 1 whole power r into x to the power 14 minus 2r. 14 minus 2r. Here I don't want the x value. I don't want the x value. Term without x, independent of x. Okay, to get the term independent of x. Independent of x, then power of x equal to 0, equated to 0. Okay, so power of x equal to 0. So that means 14 minus 2r is equal to 0. 14 is equal to 2r, and r is equal to 14 by 2. R is equal to 14 by 2. That is equal to 7. That is equal to 7. Now substitute this r value. Substitute this r value. Okay, so substituting r is equal to 7 in equation 1. Substituting r is equal to 7 in equation 1. That is TR plus 1 means T7 plus 1 is equals to 14CR7 into minus 1 whole power R7 into x to the power 14 minus 2r. Okay, so this is actually without x only. Okay, if you want, you can write here, but whatever it is, okay, so this is 14 minus 14 becomes 0 only. 14 minus 14 is 0 only. So x power 0 means we get 1 only. Okay, so here this is equal to 14 CR minus 1 whole power 7 is it is a negative number. So we write minus and 14C 7. This is the final answer. Or otherwise, you can simplify 14 factorial divided by 14 minus 7 factorial into 7 factorial. Okay, so I think we get little bit bigger value. Okay, you can keep till here. Okay, so this is only the final answer. Or just I'll write one step 7 factorial whole square. Okay, this is the required solution. So here 2x square minus 1 by x whole power 12. Whole power 12. So here general term. What is the formula? General term is general term is TR plus 1 is equals to NCR x to the power n minus r into y to the power r. Okay, when we compare with the x plus y whole to the power n is a binomial term. Okay, expansion. Okay, this is a general term. This is the general term we use for finding the constant term, term without x, independent of x, independent term. Okay, so here I am applying the same formula here. So n value is 12 C r value we don't know. Okay, so we don't know the value of r into x to the power. That means 2x square is x value and y is minus 1 by x whole power r. R means r itself. Here the value of r is r only. Okay, so now next in this this is the value of x and this is the value of y and this is n. Okay, 12 is the value of n. Okay, now I am expanding here 12 CR as it is. I am writing 2x square whole power n minus r, 12 minus r into minus 1 by x whole power r. Yes, 2 to the power 12 minus r into x square to the power 12 minus r. Okay, and minus 1 into x to the power minus r, taking denominator to numerator. Taking denominator to numerator. Okay, so now this is equals to 12 CR as it is and 2 to the power and 2 to the power 12 minus r as it is and x to the power 2 into 12, that is 24 minus 2r. Take this x to the power minus r and add in this x to the power minus r. Bases are equal, can add the powers. Okay, and minus 1 whole power r, minus 1 whole power r, write it as it is. It is a coefficient right in the starting. So minus 1 whole to the power r into 12 CR 2 to the power 12 minus r into x to the power 24 minus 3r. X to the power 24 minus 3r. Okay, the power, whatever the power we have to equate to 0 to get the independent of x term. Okay, so now to get the term independent of x, independent of x, then okay, power of x equal to 0. Power of the x equal to 0. Okay, what is the x to the power here? 24 minus 3r. 24 minus 3r equal to 0. 24 is equal to 3r. R is equals to 24 by 3. R is equal to 24 by 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 8 times. 3 8 times. The value of R is 8. Substitute R is equal to 8 in the previous step. Okay, so in this step, equation 1. Substituting R is equals to 8. Substituting R is equal to 8 in equation 1. In equation 1, then T8 plus 1 is equal to minus 1 whole power R, means 8 into 12CR, 12C8, 2 to the power 12 minus R into 2 to the power 12 minus R, 12 minus 8 into, okay, even if you substitute R is equal to 8, 3 8 is a 24. 24 minus 24 gets cancelled, so we get 0 here. We get 0. So that is nothing but x to the power, we are getting 24 minus 24 itself. We are going to get 0. So we get the term independent of x. Minus 1 whole power 8 is plus 1 here. And 12C8, either we can simplify or keep it like this. And 2 to the power 4. Okay, so into 1. So finally we are getting, okay, so 2 to the power 4 into 12C8. Okay, this is the final answer, or even you can simplify. Okay, so 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16, and 12C4, 12 factorial divided by, okay, or 12 into 11 into 10 into 9, 4 factors divided by 4 factorial, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, 12C8 we can equate to 12C4, 2 to the power 4 into 12C, 12 minus 8 is 4. So we can write. So now if we cancel, okay, 4 3 is a 12, 12 cancel, 2 1s are, okay, even you can cancel 1, 2 here. You can cancel the 2. So what is remaining here? 2 to the 4 to the 8, 8 9 is a 72, 72 into 11, 72 into 11, 792, okay, into 10, 7920. This is the final answer. This is the final answer. Either you can write here or we can write this. If the coefficient of x square and x cube in the expansion of 3 plus ax whole power 9 are the same, find the value of a. Find the value of a. Okay, so what is given here? So given binomial term is 3 plus ax whole to the power 9. 3 plus ax whole to the power 9. What is general term formula? General term formula. Okay, so general term is tr plus 1 is equals to ncr x to the power n minus r into y to the power r. Y to the power r. If we substitute the values, okay, so here I want the coefficient of x square. I want the coefficient of x square, but I don't know which term is that. Okay, so tr plus 1 is equals to ncr. What is r value here? We don't know the value of r. And x to the power 3 to the power 9 minus r into y to the power, that is ax to the power r only. Okay, so 9cr into 3 to the power 9 minus r into ax whole power r means a to the power r into x to the power r into x to the power r. Okay, so now this is equals to, in this, what I want, actually I want the term, okay, our coefficient of x square. I want the coefficient of x square, coefficient of x cube, to get the coefficient of x square. Okay, so I am taking this as equation number 1. To get the coefficient of x square, substitute this. Okay, so x to the power r equate to the power 2 directly. Okay, so to get coefficient of x square and x cube equate the power of x, equate the power of x, that is equal to r. Okay, so power of x is equal to 2 or x is equal to 3. Either substitute x is equal to 2 or substitute x is equal to 3. Okay, so directly we can substitute or we can find the value of r. Okay, so here I am substituting x is equal to 2. If you substitute x is equal to 2, r is equal to 2, x power of x is equal to or r is equal to 2. So then t r plus 1 is equals to so, and given that coefficient of x square is equal to coefficient of x cube. Coefficient of x square is equal to coefficient of x cube. Okay, so that means r is equal to 2. If we substitute r is equal to 2, then we get the coefficient of x square. Substituting r is equal to 3, coefficient of x cube. So that is nothing but 9cr. 9c2, r is equal to 2. I am substituting 3 power 9 minus r, 3 to the power 9 minus r means 9 minus 2 into a to the power r into x power r, a to the power r, a to the power 2 into x to the power 2. Okay, this is the x power 2 term, but I want the coefficient only. No need to write the x. Okay, is equal to 9c3 into 3 to the power 9 minus 3 into a to the power 3 into x to the power 3. Here x to the power 3 is nothing but x power 3 term coefficient. Okay, means no need. I want the only coefficient, no need of that. Okay, so now we can write this as 9c2, 9 into 8, 2 factors divided by 2 factorial, 2 into 1, 3 power 9 minus 2, 3 power 7 it is, 3 to the power 7 into a power 2 is equal to 9c3, means 9 into 8 into 7, 3 factors divided by 3 factorial, 3 into 2 into 1 into 3 to the power 9 minus 3, that is 3 to the power 6 into a cube, into a cube. Now both the sides we can cancel the similar terms. 9 9 we can cancel, 8 8 also cancel, 2 2 also cancel. Okay, even you can cancel the 3 power 6 and 3 to the power 6. One more 3 is remaining here, and 8 square we can cancel with a square, means one more a is remaining. One more a is remaining. Whatever the terms we have left. Okay, left side we have 1 3 extra. 1 3 is extra in the left side, and right side we have one more 7 and one more 3, 7 by 3 into one more a. Take this 7 by 3 to right side, 3 into 3 by 7 is equal to a. So that means a value is equals 3 3 is a 9 by 7, it is 9 by 7. What is the value of a here? The value of a is 9 by 7. Okay. For more educational videos on CBSE, ISE, State Board and Intermediate, as well as IIT-JEE, BITSAT, EAMCET, please like, share, subscribe our VEDHA online classes. Thank you for watching. Have a great preparation.